Hello viewers or subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Shimbenta Bah Ardent banyatai ni ya ka jingkren jung governor. Hakabana ka liang jung governor. Ulaong hakasni stang jung ka dorbar mang tingka. Ba ukwa ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya. Ban penkela ya ka Meghalaya ya ka $10 million. Ka yuk ka kot. Hapo u arjar al popra. Na ka liang jung Bah Ardent. Ulaong ba kamlong ka basniu ban posniu ya ka $10 million. Ka yuk ka kot. Nrei na ka liang jung ka Sorkar Meghalaya. Hato kala sisa neem ban penkela ya ka Meghalaya. Siya ka $10 million. Ka yuk ka kot. Hapo u arjar al popra. Katkum ka National Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index. Arjar al polai. Ka Meghalaya ka day ka jela ka baduktam ha India. Hadin ka Jharkhand berka Bihar. Na ka pisakan wan. Hato ngidang beteng ban simram haki bebun ibang. Bu jingkeli u Bah Ardent. Ka Meghalaya haki babun kiliang. Ka shani pisa na ka central government. Ka ban jala da ka Sorkar India. Lane ka central government. Ka kerpat ka Sorkar jela ban siew no ya karam. Da ka jingklong yu uranium haka jela jungi. Ka central government. Kala ong ya ka Sorkar jela. Baka day ban pendep ya sibun ki project. Bada da ka bakla. Kadai ban siew no ya baro ka pisa. Siya ka central government. Pynpaw u Bah Ardent ha assembly. Ki babun ki scheme ha Meghalaya. Kidai jong ka central government. Kumta u Bah Ardent ulaong baka Sorkar jela. Kadai ban sedang daki scheme la jong. Ladang ikwa ban sarong ya ka jing sakri ki pajba jong ka jela.
So when I have looked at this governor address, so I've seen the mention here was made about the ambitious journey to transform Meghalaya into a $10 billion economy by 2028. So it is not bad to have a dream. It is not bad either to be ambitious. But the contention here is whether this government can really transform Meghalaya into a $10 billion economy by 2028. I'm not saying that we cannot transform Meghalaya into a $10 billion or a $100 billion economy. I will be the happiest person to see that my state is growing and is being transformed into a $10 billion economy or a $100 billion economy. So Meghalaya, according to the MDA government, which aspires to become a $10 billion economy by 2028, because when we raise issue, we want to also see the ground reality. We are not here to blow trumpet only. We will not only supply music in the ears of the government, but we will bring the ground reality that is reflecting the state as a whole. So Meghalaya has indeed been found to be the third poorest state after Jharkhand and Bihar. This is according to the National Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index Baseline Report 2023. So, and Meghalaya has been listed with 27.79% rate of poverty. So, as of July 2024, the unemployment rate in Meghalaya was 6.0%, which is higher than the national average at 3.2%. I would also like to bring to the notice of this August House that according to the periodic labor force survey conducted by the National Sample Survey Office revealed that 85% of the unemployment are in the age of 15 to 30 years in Meghalaya. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, when I look at these figures, I am skeptical whether the government of the day will be able to live up to its commitment to transform Meghalaya into a $10 billion economy. I don't know from where the money will come. Can we continue to avail loans from various banks? The Comptroller and Auditor General had warned that the state's borrowing trend increased by over 63% in the past 5 years and could lead the state into a debt trap. The fact of the matter, sir, is that we are already in a debt trap. Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, let me also quote CAG report. Of the total debts, about 73% are internal in the form of market loans, ways and means advances from RBI, special securities issued to national small saving funds and loans from financial institutions. Another 23% is public account liabilities, and only 4% is loans from the central government. Sir, and the government of the day, as we know, is still availing loans after loans from various international banking institutions. I feel I have the right, and not only members belonging to the site, but the people needs to know how much of the loan had Meghalaya availed till this financial year 2024-25. How much of the loan is yet to be repaid by the government, and what kind of loan is being provided? How much of the financial support from those World Bank, Asian Development Banks, JICA and others are in the form of loans? Sir, I would like to remind this august house that Meghalaya is a non-revenue generating state. The Chief Minister himself has admitted in one of his meetings with the state tax officers that Meghalaya entirely depends heavily on central government revenue sources. Therefore, sir, my sincere question to the government is whether we are prepared to repay all these loans, and if we fail to do so, will the government of India bail us out, and are we prepared on those conditions to be laid by the government of India when the government of India decides to bail us out? Sir, I'm sure that all the right-thinking members will ponder, and there has been a discourse around that if the state government continues in this trend to take loans, one fine day we may have to face a condition that may bring problem to the state. What will happen if the government of India one fine day asks the state government to repay the loan in the form of extraction of uranium in our state? We have seen media reports recently, sir, that the government of India has set a term to the state government that they must complete these many projects, and if they fail, they have to return all the money. And when I listen to members who is praising the achievement and the programs of this government, I feel as if they are trying to take all the credit. In fact, all the schemes that we are discussing, and most of them are the central schemes, we are just the implementing agency. So we would like to hear the schemes, the projects that are being generated by the state government, not to boast about the implementation of central schemes in the state. If you talk about the water supply, Jal Jeevan, this is the central scheme. If you talk about providing household to the poor, PMAGY, this is the central scheme. Why do we feel happy to just implement? Let us try. The state government must initiate its own state schemes, sir, what I feel, if we are really want to be proud of serving the people in the state.